Today we are going to start. Next topic, application of trigonometry. Now where the trigonometry is applied, so to find out the height of the tree, to find the height of the building or height of the lighthouse or the distance between the lighthouse and ship or distance between the building and a person or to find the width of the river or width of the road. To find out such answers, we can use trigonometry. We can apply their trigonometric ratios. Okay. So to solve the problems based on these questions, we have to draw one figure. And in that figure, the tree, building, lighthouse or tower, these things we will represent by a segment which is perpendicular to the ground. Okay, that means suppose this PQ is the perpendicular segment. This perpendicular segment we will use to represent the height of the tree, height of the building, height of the tower, like that. Okay, and the height of the person or the height of the observer is negligible here. Okay. Instead of that height, we will take the horizontal line of vision of the observer. Okay, that horizontal line means the line of vision is always parallel to the horizon. Okay, that's why here we will take its line of vision. Okay, for example, suppose the person is standing here at point R on the ground. So this QR line represents its horizontal line of vision. Okay. Now suppose this is the horizontal line of vision. Now this person want to look top of the tree or top of the building or top of the tower house. So what we have to do? If we are standing on the ground, we will look straight. That is the horizontal line of vision. And if we want to look at the top, so here, suppose he looks the top, he will make the angle with the horizontal line of vision. So this angle is represented as this theta, and this angle is called as angle of elevation. Understood? And then using the trigonometric ratios, we can solve the problem. Understood? Now this is one thing. Suppose the person is standing on the ground and he looks up. Then he makes angle of elevation with the horizontal line of vision. Okay. Now another thing. Suppose. Now here the AB is the building which is perpendicular to the ground. Now the person is standing on top of the building, that is at point A. Okay. So here first we will draw one ray, suppose AD. So this AD is the horizontal line of vision. And now he wants to look down. Suppose he wants to look down to see the car standing on the ground. Okay. So this is the horizontal line of vision and then he looks down. So he will make the angle here. So this angle DAC, this angle is called as angle of depression. Understood? So these are the two basic concepts to solve the trigonometric word problem. Okay? So just you have to remember that when we are standing on the ground and when we look up, we will make angle of elevation with the horizontal line of vision. And when we are top of the tower, top of the building, and when we look down, then we will make angle of depression with the horizontal line of vision. Understood? So these are the two main basic concepts which are useful to solve word problems. Just now we saw how which are the basic concepts used to solve the trigonometric word problem. That is, when we standing on the ground, we make angle of elevation with the horizontal line of vision, or when we are standing on the top of the building and when we look down, we make angle of depression with the horizontal line of vision. Okay, using this concept, we will solve practice set 6.2, which related to word problems. And student, if you observe your geometry textbook, Maths 2 textbook, on the front page, this figure is given, which is the best example of application of trigonometry. Just look at this front page and observe the figure. You come to know that here the trigonometry is applied. Okay. Now let's start first question of practice set 6.2. The question is, a person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church. Looking at its top, the angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of the church. Okay, follow the question. Now student, the main thing is to solve these word problems. Figure is compulsory. So while you are solving this question at the time of board exam, that time also you have to remember, first you have to draw figure. Okay. Now here we have to first represent the height of the church, which is a perpendicular line to the ground. Okay. Let here AB is the height of the church, which is perpendicular to the ground. Then a person is standing near the church. So the person is standing here at point C and he looks the top of the church. So you have to draw this line. Okay. So which angle is the angle of elevation? Angle ACB. This angle is the angle of elevation, which we will represent as theta. Okay. Now student, the next important thing is you have to describe this figure. What is AB, what is BC, what is theta. Okay. So let here we will explain the figure. Let AB be the height of the church. So we have to find the height of the church. AB is not given. We have to find it. Okay. Then BC. BC be the distance between church and person. Now this distance is given, at which distance he is standing 80 meters from the church. So BC is equal to 80 meters. So let we will represent in figure also. Okay. Then angle ACB is equal to theta, which is given in the question, 45 degree. Is the angle of elevation. Followed, so this way first you have to explain the figure. Now the next important thing is this angle is 90 degree. That means here we got right angle triangle, and that's why we can apply trigonometry here. So that also we have to write here first. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, now see, with respect to this angle theta, which side is given? The adjacent side of theta is given, and we have to find out its opposite side. So we have to use the trigonometric ratio in which opposite side and adjacent side is used. Now I think you know that trigonometric ratios which we already studied at the beginning of the lesson and which you studied at the 9th standard also. Okay. So opposite side upon adjacent side is tan theta ratio. So we have to use here tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. AB upon BC. Okay. Now here theta is given how much? 45 degrees. So tan 45 degree is equal to AB is not given. BC is equal to 80. Okay, now here you require the values of trigonometric ratios for angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. As we studied the table, how to prepare that table. Okay, so from that table we will get this value. So tan 45 degree value is 1. So 1 is equal to AB upon 80. Now do cross multiplication. Therefore AB is equal to 80. And write the unit meter. But student, in question they didn't ask find AB. What is the question? Find the height of the church. So we have to write the answer according to this question. Then only you will get the last half mark which is reserved for answer. Therefore, the height of the church is 80 meter. Understood? So this way we can apply trigonometry to solve such type of word problems.